Dear friends, today we have come far away from Goa in Punjab, in the district of Firozpur. As you will see around, the water from the river Satluj has overflowed and destroyed a lot of the crop over here. Further down, you will see that also the river has overflowed onto the roads. It is blocked over here, and people have been rescued by these boats. These boats are from the BSF. There are some private boats, and and from what we gathered, they never felt the need for any boats over here until the Punjabis, innovative as they are, they built up some boats which were less about a lakh and above as compared to the 15-20 lakhs that would be available in the rest of the country. And they have tried to rescue the people which were deep inside.
त्या बांधाचेर आर्मी हा एक 4,000 हे 50 किलोमीटर लायनीचेर फिरोजपूर जे आमचे जे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हा ते एक 5,000 आर्मी वाला हा BSF हा आणि आता भितर जे कितें आहा न्हू ते तुमकां ती बोट दिसती पळय सकयल पाय सकयल पाय तो बोट जे दिसती पडटा तुमकां पळय ते लोकांक म्हणजे द रोड्स आर कंप्लिटली कट ऑफ. And the boats which are going also have to be careful because there are markings in between which is this side, which is that side. So in this was all green field. We will show you green field just now, but this has got spoiled with the rain, salinity of the water coming from the Satluj river. The Satluj river usually flows mostly in that area across the country, but some tribunals come this side, so that water has come this side up to 10 feet. Now, because of all the flooding which has happened, people have got displaced. Electricity is provided sometime in the night. There is contamination of the water, so waterborne disease will be there. The paramilitary, the army, the border security force, various types of agencies are working on it.